This is an impressive terrace.
This is amazing.
Technically your own private pool.
The most important question, what's the starting price today in Vanian Views?
You can get in on this from...
Hey guys, so here we are. Welcome back to the High Homes YouTube channel. Today we're in Vanian Views. We are in the heart of the new Golden Mile in Estepona. And in this amazing development that's just been finished, we're going to be meeting Ian. Ian's got the keys to a show home and he's going to show us what these apartments look like on the inside and give you guys a bit of information of, you know, what Vanian Views offers. And if you're in the market for a property that's modern, contemporary and close to amenities, this might be interesting. Let's go meet Ian.
Don't go yet.
Hey.
That is a dramatic knock. Hey, Ian, good to see you.
Hey, Ian. What's going on,
Come
man?
on in. Come on in. Welcome to this 3-bed ground floor apartment in Vanian Views.
This is amazing.
So yeah, this is really special because of the open plan style. So you've got open plan kitchen, really nice living space.
Love it. I love
Entertainment. You can cook, you can chat, you're here with the family.
That's what it's all about, right? That's what everyone wants.
Yeah,
everyone...
and it's really neutral, it's really tastefully decorated, so you can put your own stamp on it, right? I mean, it's yours to kind of play with.
So we were just telling the audience where we are right now. So we are in the new Golden Mile, right? Ian, before we see the rest of the apartment, talk to us about location. How far are we from amenities, from Vanian Views?
Yeah, I mean, you're about 10 minutes from the center of Estepona and down to the beach in maybe 7 minutes.
Talk to us about the development. How many units are in the complex? What kind of properties are there? Tell us about it.
So Vanian Views has just over 70 units, 2 and 3 bed units. And all the units come with 1 parking and 1 storage.
Okay, perfect. So this is a ground floor unit?
Yes.
And how many apartments are available at the moment?
At the moment, 13.
Okay.
So it's still a good opportunity within Vanian Views to get some really nice options here. This is obviously a show flat that AIDAS have designed and kind of put together to give you an indication of what you can do with them, right? Because they're all key ready. But you're going to be walking into empty units, right? This really helps with your perception of what you can do with space.
Totally. I mean, that's quite super important thing to mention is that the key ready. So
key ready, I mean, it's amazing.
A lot of clients, want something ready to move in, don't want to wait 2 years, so it's nice.
Yeah.
So look at this amazing terrace. Let's go.
This is an impressive terrace, okay? So ground floor terrace, really close to the pool so you can watch the kids, or you don't even have to leave. You got your own private gate to the pool. I mean, this is technically your own private pool.
This is perfect for a family,
This is a family unit, I think, is really special. You do see views in the distance, which is really special, but you can just see the amount of space you get.
Agreed.
And it's a full wraparound terrace, right? So it goes all the way around to the side and to the bedroom. So you can access it from the entire space.
You know something that's actually quite cool about this complex?
Yeah.
Is that it's got a rounded facade.
Yeah, I really like it.
And I think there are a lot of developments nowadays are, they're very square. I mean, they're lovely. Yeah. But this gives sort of a different sort of feel.
There's an edge on it.
There's an edge on it, absolutely.
Yeah.
Terrace size is great.
Really good terrace size. Obviously, you've got lots of really nice views and really open space, and it's really quiet. I mean, can you hear much?
No, at all. It's just like July now, so it's quite quiet and nice. It's great.
It's really, really nice.
All right.
And then we can go inside and have a look.
Great. So all the apartments are finished as we see, let's say, in terms of
Key
flooring.
ready in terms of flooring, kind of the white walls and things like that. Obviously not the furniture.
Okay, so basically white
and
canvas.
Not the light fittings. Yes, the fitted lights, but not any hanging lights and stuff as such.
Okay, perfect.
Through here then they've given you a different indication of what you can do. So they've put a home office in this one instead of using the 3rd bedroom.
So technically this is a bedroom.
This is the 3rd bedroom.
They've just put an office in here.
So you could have 2 twin beds. Obviously they all come with built-in wardrobes as well. And this is the terrace then that I was mentioning that wraps right around.
But essentially you can see Marbella from here.
You've got really good views. So you've kind of got both sides, which is really nice actually. So morning and evening sun. And it gives you a really good taste of what can be done with decoration.
Quality is great. That's great quality.
That's a really good. Here's a twin bedroom that just gives you the idea of what you can fit in and things like that.
This is lovely and perfect for a family.
It's nice, right?
Great.
And again, silence. It's really, really quiet. And this is high season.
So this terrace wraps around the whole place?
And the terrace is huge. I mean, let's go and have a look.
Wow. Look at that.
So especially if you actually have a dog, I mean, somebody traveling with a dog or anything like that.
It's perfect to have like a table of coffee in the morning.
Yeah, and this is huge. Like if you had kids, you're playing ball against the wall, you can set up lots of different spaces.
I think this is crying for an outdoor kitchen. Let's have a look at the master.
Yes,
right?
Good shout, good shout. And a chef, I'm not cooking.
That's it.
The bathroom for this one then is just here, but this would also be the guest bathroom then if you have anyone.
So these 2 bedrooms share.
Exactly.
So it's a 3-bed, 2-bath. Exactly. These 2 bedrooms share the
shower room and bathroom here, and obviously for any guests as well.
Nice.
And then the master comes with kind of your walk-in, built-in style wardrobe. Really nicely done, really nicely kitted out. I mean, they're actually really well done in terms of, you know, just all wrapped nicely, finished nice. It's not just kind of a plastic option that you're being given, so it's really nice qualities. And in here you've got the bathroom then again.
Great.
Really nice again. Neutral colors, so nothing that, you know, taste-wise you can put your own spin on it, which is really good. And the bedroom is a perfect size. I like the detail. Again, it won't come with that. It'll be white wall, but you can see how easily you could do little pops like that to make it your own space.
Before we talk about pricing,
okay,
tell us about what the development offers. So you buy one of these last 12, 13 units.
Okay.
What are the amenities on site for residents?
Okay, so you have access obviously to an incredible communal pool, which you saw at the start of the video, co-working space, gym, and sauna.
Okay.
And amazing sea views. That's an amenity in itself.
Totally true. And something which, you know, is true for this development and Marine Hills and the developments immediately around. This here is Selwo, which is a super like popular, you know, safari style zoo. And you know what I've said about Marine Hills and Libella is that this is one of the only places where at night, from your balcony, you might even hear
a monkey.
No, a lion roar.
A lion roar.
So, Ian, the most important question, for an apartment like one we've seen, you know, with key ready, those qualities, with those amenities, in this location, what's the starting price today in Vanian Views?
You can get in on this from 420,000.
Wow, 420,000 euros for an apartment like we've just seen, with all these services. You guys need to come and see it.